All right, just landed 2024 Toyota Sienna XLE, loaded out, Braunability, brand new conversion, brand new Toyota Sienna 2024, Braunability XT fold-out ramp, gorgeous pearl white. Just landed, has 9 miles, it's a brand new van. It's got the XT fold-out ramp option, comes with Q-string tie-down system, hybrid. Not much to point out except how beautiful these new Siennas are, quiet, nice, fuel efficient. Obviously the best vans in the world. Brand new Braunability conversion. This is the fold-out ramp option with the big lowered floor, rear footrest, all leather seating, sunroof, navigation, fully loaded. Comes with Q-string tie-down system. Everything comes with this van, ready to go, plug and play. Navigation, big screen. It is a kneeling van. Push button, everything also works from the push buttons here in the rear, push button at the center console, and also works from the key fob. It does have the brand new XT fold-out ramp that has the wayside lighting system, which is awesome. So when it's dark out, you can see everything. Beautiful power front seats. They are easily removable. If you need any extra options, hand controls, transfer seat, anything in this van installed, we install it right here. We are a Braun authorized dealer. These vans come standard, lowered floor with quiet drive, automatic doors, power fold out ramp with wayfinder lighting, brand new upgraded center console, integrated key fobs that work all the equipment and the power doors. Obviously the fold down footrest that I showed you. All of the new Braunability features are very tailored towards looking like OEM style switches on the interior. It's a beautiful, beautiful van. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, Boca Raton, Florida. Buy from the best. We've been in business 47 years. This is what we do. If you need any service on your van, we can do it. Again, we're the best in the business. If you need help or you need anything done to your van, or you would like to purchase this van, or you would like some hand controls installed, a transfer seat, we are happy to help and accommodate you. We can service any type of Braunability van, any type of handicap van. It's what we do. Best thing about this one, it will be priced as competitively as the market allows. We'll beat anybody's price on a brand new van that's the exact same van. Just give us the opportunity to earn your business. Gorgeous. This is the XLE hybrid. Again, this new van comes with a full Q-string tie-down system. These are the ratchet straps that go in the floor. It comes with the extra seat belt, Toyota first aid kit, all of your original Toyota's owner's manuals, all the Braunability manuals, everything. Front license plate holder, all of the OEM stuff that the van would have came from, all of those options and features come along with this as well. If you know, you know, these Braunability vans are the best in the business. Power liftgate, of course. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. We're happy to help. Again, we will price match guarantee anybody's brand new van and we'll beat it. So if you find this van somewhere else at a better price, you let us know. I doubt you will. 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 47 years in business. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.